Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to modify your BMW M4 in car parking multiplayer. First, navigate to your garage and select the M4. Once chosen, head into the tuning shop. Here, you will find various categories for customization. Start by exploring the engine section to enhance your car's power. A good initial step is often installing a basic turbocharger, which can significantly increase your horsepower and torque, making your M4 much faster right away. To truly unleash your M4's potential, focus on performance power-ups. Upgrading the engine's ECU can fine-tune its performance, offering better fuel efficiency and a noticeable power increase. A high-performance exhaust system will improve airflow, adding a few extra horsepower. Don't forget a sport suspension kit for sharper handling, and racing tires are essential for maximum grip, especially when cornering at high speeds. Now, let's make your M4 visually stunning. The game offers a wide array of paint colors and decal options to personalize your ride. Explore different body kits to give your car a unique silhouette, from subtle enhancements to aggressive wide-body designs. Adding a spoiler can improve aerodynamics and add a sporty touch. Finally, choose from hundreds of wheel designs and customize brake caliper colors to complete your M4's distinctive look. For advanced tuning, delve into suspension settings to adjust ride height and stiffness, which greatly impacts handling. Experiment with gear ratios to optimize acceleration or top speed, depending on your preference. After every modification, take your M4 for a spin in different game modes to feel the changes. It's all about experimenting and finding that perfect balance that suits your driving style, making your custom M4 truly yours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.